In this video, I'll be revealing the top 3 movie apps for iPhone and iPad devices. Now, the third on this video is actually the best for streaming, so make sure to stick to the end so you do not miss it. Now, the first on my list is called OSN Plus, and with this platform, you can actually stream a whole lot of movies and a lot of TV shows for free legally, just as you can see on your screen right now. And the best part about this platform is that they actually have content that are, high resolutions. Like you can see, you can watch movies that are up to 4K in resolutions in here. So this is a perfect platform that you can actually use to, stream a whole lot of stuff. And the best part is that this platform is also available not just as an app, but also it's available as a website platform. So it's either you are using the website or you are using the app. Right now I'm in the website platform. So let me take you guys to my app store so you can actually see the app. Now in my app store, you can actually see the app in here. So you can easily go to your own app store and go and install this to your device. Now with this, you'll be able to stream a whole lot of content. And I mean a whole lot, because they have a lot of TV shows and a lot of movies available for you to stream for free legally. So make sure to give OSN Plus a try. Number 2 on my list is Plex, also known as Plex TV. Now, Plex is quite popular already because they have a lot of movies, like thousands of movies and thousands of TV shows available. And that's not even the best part. The best part is that they also have a lot of live TV channels available. You can see watch all of our live TV. So there's a lot of live TV channels also available on this platform for you to stream for free legally, with a lot of other content like TV shows and movies in here for you to stream. So if you do not know about Plex, this is the time for you to actually go ahead and download this to your device and start streaming for free legally. Now the last on my list is called Just Watch. Now Just Watch is very popular because it actually has a lot of movies and TV shows. Like they have a large library from sci-fi to animation to action to documentary. So many stuff are available. Also, if you have a smart TV, you can also download this app for your smart TV. You can see it in here. Play on your TV. So which means it's also available for TV devices. You can find new and popular movies and shows on this platform, just as you can see on the official app store right now. So make sure to go and download Just Watch and use it to stream for free legally. In this video, I actually gave you guys 3. I gave you OSN Plus, I gave you Plex, and lastly I gave you Just Watch. So give any of these 3 a try and you should be able to stream for free legally on your iPhone device. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.